Hello and welcome back to our training where we talk about how you can get more done in less time using the power of Prosperity Central. And on today's training, we're going to talk about how you can tell which advertisement your prospects came through to access your system, to access your site. But before we get into that, once again, my name is Jeff Osnes. I'm your host. I'm your trainer. I'm guiding you through the Prosperity Central system. And what is this system? This system was specifically designed to help you manage, organize, and follow up with your prospects. It's a contact management system created for the network marketing industry, the home-based business folks. However, anyone in sales could definitely benefit by taking advantage of this system. So if you know somebody in network marketing or sales, make sure you share this video with them so they can start watching these videos and learn about the Prosperity Central system and start improving their results by taking advantage of the Prosperity Central system. Now let's go ahead and jump into our training today. Like I mentioned earlier, we're going to talk about how you can tell which advertisement one of your prospects has come through. So this training is kind of a continuation. All of these trainings are really a continuation of the previous training. So I hope you're watching all of the training in order. If not, make sure you go back and start watching the training because they all build on each other. However, to kind of catch up to speed, we talked about under the marketing tab, the ability to create specific ad links, specific links for specific advertisements so you can track the prospects that come through your different advertisements so you can identify which advertisement is working and which ones are not so you can make adjustments and fine-tune and refine your prospecting, your advertising processes. And on that training, we'd created a link that we were going to use on our fictitious ad on Facebook for stay-at-home moms. It was a link like this, right? And this is the link, pinpointprospecting.com, CP31480, FBMOM1. So how do we know which prospects come through this capture page as opposed to any other capture page or any other link? It might even be the same capture page. We could use the same capture page across multiple advertisements if we wanted to, but how do we track who's coming through which advertisement, right? How do we know who came through which advertisement? That's what we want to focus on today so that when you follow up with somebody, when you follow up with that prospect, you can comment on the advertisement that they came through. So in order for us to see how that's going to work, we're going to go ahead and fill out this form. Once I've filled out the information, I'm going to go ahead and click on immediate access. And of course, once I hit submit, once I click that button, that takes me as a prospect to whatever it is that I've configured on that capture page. In this case, I've got it configured just to go to the marketing site. But of course, I could have directed them to a different page on the marketing site. I could have directed them to an external website. Lots of different options there that we've, of course, already discussed in different training. So we're not going to focus on that right now. But let's take a look at the prospect that came through this pipeline. I'm going to go ahead and log back in and you'll see here a prospect notification just pops up in my website. The next time I log in, I get to see this notification letting me know that Sally Prospect has just come through and is touring the website, blah, 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 all that good stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of that. And let's click on Sally's name. That opens up Sally Prospect's details and you'll see here in the ad code section, FBMOM1, letting me know what advertisement she came through. So now when I reach out to Sally Prospect, when I follow up with Sally Prospect, I can make a reference to that specific ad. And this helps me break the ice. This helps me start to build that relationship. Remember, this is a relationship business. And I know we've been focusing a lot on the configuration and the setup and all the cool things that you can do with Prosperity Central, but I want to bring you back to what's most important, and that is making sure that you spend 80% of your time prospecting, talking to people, building those relationships. If you're not spending 80% of your time, at least 80% of your time, building those relationships and having conversations with people and sharing stories with people, then you're not working your business properly. And this is just one more piece to that puzzle to help you not only help to identify which advertisements work better than others, but to also start to build that relationship with the prospect. Because what if I had posted this advertisement on a specific blog? Now I could call Sally Prospect up and say, hey, I noticed that you just filled out my form after seeing my ad on XYZ blog. How long have you been following that blog? What do you like most about that blog? Oh, I like that too. You see what I'm saying? Now you're starting to build a relationship, and people like to buy from other people that they know and trust and like. And they're going to get to know you, they're going to get to trust you, and they're going to get to like you if you're having conversations with them about things that they like. And if they're on a blog, they probably like that blog. But that helps you start to break that ice. That helps you to start to have a relationship with that person. And so now it's not really a cold call. It's not really a prospecting call. It's you reaching out to help them. And that's what this business is all about, right? And that's it for our training today. As you can see, Prosperity Central is here to help you boost sales and growth. It's a super simple system that helps you present your opportunity, organize your contacts, track your contact activities so you know who to focus on and when to focus on them. There is a 2-tier affiliate program built into the system so that you can build a second income stream by helping people take advantage of tools they should be taking advantage of anyway. It is mobile friendly, so anywhere you have internet access, you are in business. And the price? Well, the price is phenomenal. There are 3 account levels, basic, professional, and premier. The basic account is so that everybody on your team has no excuse to not have a Prosperity Central account. Everybody should be plugging into you and your training. Now, those people who are out there really trying to build a business, they're out there prospecting and talking to people, they should have the professional account. That gives them access to the contact manager. So they have all the tools that they need to manage, organize, and follow up with their prospects. And the Premier account, that is for you, a team leader, somebody who is trying to build an organization so that you can create and share content with your organization so that you can become a truly duplicatable leader. Now, if you don't have a Prosperity Central account, you need to go to prosperitycentral.biz. Once again, prosperitycentral.biz. Go there today and set up your Prosperity Central account and start getting more done in less time using the power of Prosperity Central. Thanks again, and happy prospecting.